We're here in the 2013 to 16 Nissan Pathfinder. I'm going to show you how to pair and set up wireless CarPlay on your factory screen. We've just installed the Hamilton upgrade kit. Check out our installation video if you have not yet seen it. Go ahead from the home screen here and you're going to pull out your iPhone and turn Bluetooth off and on until you see a new device starting with Hamilton that appears. You can go ahead and touch it. A pairing code is going to pop up. You can ignore what it says and click pair. Click allow to contacts and favorites. And if you see a prompt that says connect to CarPlay, click connect. Now sometimes you're going to get one final prompt that will say allow apps, click allow. And here it is, wireless CarPlay running on the screen. It was as easy as that. Now every time you get in the car, your phone will automatically pair and connect to wireless CarPlay and it will come up. We're not done yet though. We have a few important steps to note. Number one, long holding the back button here on the center panel or the back button on the steering wheel for 3 seconds is how you switch between the factory system and the Hamilton upgrade kit. The Hamilton upgrade kit will preserve all of your features. You can see here we can shift to reverse, backup camera and 360 come up, right back to CarPlay. We're not done yet. We need to configure the audio. With your phone connected to CarPlay, go ahead and push this button right here that says aux and confirm that your factory system sets itself to aux mode. Now you can long hold the back button for 3 seconds and come back to CarPlay. This car will typically hold aux mode even after you turn it off and back on. Your phone is streaming audio through the Hamilton network to the Hamilton upgrade kit, and it's grabbed your aux line behind the factory radio and is acting like a plugged-in iPod to play music through your factory radio. Of course, you could listen to the AM, FM, or satellite radio with CarPlay showing, but if you want CarPlay to play through your speakers, you need to be on aux mode. One final recommendation. Come here and we'll touch settings to pull up the factory settings, and we're going to forget the factory Bluetooth. You don't want your phone fighting between the Hamilton Bluetooth and the factory Bluetooth. So here in Bluetooth, we're going to come to connected devices. We'll do audio player, and we'll just select these phones and delete them. I recommend that you clear out all the Bluetooth pairing records, both from that audio player menu and from the hands-free phone menu. We don't want the phone trying to connect to factory Bluetooth anymore. And once it's all cleared out, you can verify that Bluetooth is empty, there's no connected devices. Let's long hold that back button. We'll come back to the Hamilton upgrade kit and we're ready to go. 2 last notes that are important. On your iPhone, if you swipe down from the control center, you'll notice that the Wi-Fi icon has turned white, but we did not manually make any Wi-Fi connections. That's because, and this is from Apple, not from Hamilton, CarPlay, wireless CarPlay, starts with a Bluetooth connection and then automatically takes over your phone's Wi-Fi channel. What that means is how to disconnect CarPlay. You touch that Wi-Fi icon where it's white and it will prompt you, do you want to disconnect CarPlay? Click disconnect and CarPlay will disconnect. Now if you want to keep CarPlay from reconnecting, you also need to turn off Bluetooth. This is the Hamilton underlying operating system when CarPlay has been disconnected. You can see if we turn Bluetooth back on, after about 30 seconds, CarPlay will automatically pair, take over the Wi-Fi channel, and reconnect. So if you want to disconnect your phone from CarPlay, swipe down to Control Center, touch that Wi-Fi icon, click the prompt to disconnect, and then turn Bluetooth off so it does not reconnect. If you have any questions about this process, check out our Help Center, hamiltonmotorcompany.com. In the top bar of the website, Help Center. It's super important to watch this video fully. You can also talk to our concierge-style tech support team at 919-858-2890. If you haven't already seen it, check out our installation video and our overview video to see all of the features of this kit. It's fully touchscreen, and of course, it works with your factory rotary knob also. I'm Dave from Hamilton Motor Company, and I'll see you in the next video.